Hey friends, my name is Wendy. If you're new here, thanks for joining me. I am super excited to show you what I got from the Container Store. So me and one of my closest friends went to the Container Store and I picked up a few items to help organize small spaces, right? So I'm going to show you what I got, and I have some footage from our trip to the Container Store, just a tiny bit. So I'm going to show you that now, and then I'll show you what I got. So I actually intended to film way more than this, but I kind of forgot about it because I got so excited. But basically, if you've never been to the Container Store before, it literally is a huge store full of containers, boxes, bins, baskets, every single organizational item you can possibly fathom is at the Container Store. I think I need to go back and really do like a whole video for you guys just on the Container Store and the options they offer, because I feel like it could answer a lot of organization solutions for a lot of people. I was kind of overwhelmed the day that I went. This right here is like for a monitor to sit on top of, and then, you know, like a computer, and then you have a drawer underneath. And then look at how beautiful these are. All these fun filing cabinets. So this is what I ended up getting, and we're going to see this in a different video when I organize my 12 by 12 cardstock. But I literally came to the Container Store for these. That's the whole reason I came. Anyway, this is about the end of the footage that I have. Maybe we need a whole trip to the Container Store. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. All right, here's the rest of the video. Okay, here's what I got. I know right now it just like looks like a big pile of plastic, which it kind of is, but I got these multi-purpose bins. Let's see. There are medium and small multi-purpose bins. So let me take this out. Doing this with one hand is interesting. So basically, these are the same thing as that down there, but I do not want all of my 12 by 12 paper stored in one container. I want it broken up into multiples because that is impossible to lift. It's extremely heavy and inconvenient. So I bought 3 small and 3 medium of these, and I'm going to use these for organizing my scrapbook stuff. So that's what I got those for. Okay, then I got, let me get these out of the way. Then I got this thing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, first of all, I saw these and they were ridiculously expensive, $11, but they're dog Post-it notes. So how could I not have those? I mean, I had to. Okay, so this little humdinger, so cute, right? You take these out and then they are dividers. So I'm gonna set you down and put you on a tripod so I can show you what I'm gonna use this organization item for. Okay, this is my current embellishment situation. Yes, this is all the embellishments pretty much that I own. I have a few others randomly, sporadically here and there, but this is pretty much everything. So I got this because I have my new shelf unit from IKEA that I put together and showed you. And now I'm going to be able to put all my embellishments in this thing. Check this out. So this goes, you can put it anywhere you want, and it goes in between these little dew hoppers. Isn't that cute? I love this. So I got 2 sets of these. They come in sets of 2. So I have 4 of them total. So I have another pack. I don't know if I'll need it, but look. I can put my Alta News. So I'm gonna, because I do this, you know, I would say I link to products for you guys. It's better for me to keep stuff separated by company so that it's easier for me to find the link, if that makes sense. So anyway, Altenew, I have all these little enamel dots and these clear embellishments. look, they fit in here perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this like back here a little further because I just don't have very many of these. There. So that keeps that nice. Okay, and then I've got honeybee. Honeybee galore. So much honeybee. All of these are honeybee. I love honeybees, enamel dots and stickers and pearls and all the things. So I've got a whole bunch of honeybee. I use those most often, so I think I'm going to leave those in the front maybe. And then I have more of these, so I'm going to open them. And then I have a couple things from Waffle Flower, but then I also have kind of quite a few from Trinity stamps. I really like Trinity. Okay, so I've got like, I'm just gonna probably have like my miscellaneous. So like this is from Pink Fresh. So then I've got all these Trinity stamps goodies. I don't even know where these are from, but they're pretty, so I'm putting them in there. And then I have some more honeybee embellishments, so I'll just tuck those there. And then I'll put these guys here for now. I think, let me open my embellishment drawer. I have some old, oh yeah, see, I knew I had more. Look, I have all these from Trinity. So I'll put these all in here like this. Looking very nice. Oh yeah, and then I've got, okay, I do have more. So then I have some from Pajama Crafter Stamps in these little baggies. So those are really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and put those here kind of just in my little miscellaneous section. And then I also have this stuff. So googly eyes, some binder clips, some other little clips, some little clothespins. I think I'm just going to leave this stuff in this organizer and leave it in a drawer. Oh my gosh, I just flung googly eyes all over, in case you're wondering. At least until if I find an alternative, maybe I'll do something different. But I think I'm just gonna leave these like that. And then that's twine. Okay, so I think that's everything. So that's all of my current embellishments that I use regularly. So let me show you where I'm going to put them. So right here, right there, is I feel like a good spot for my embellishments. Look at that. So cute. This, I'm going to pull this sticker off. My poor nails. I need to do my nails. They're a mess. I've got huge chunks of paint chipped off and uh-oh. Now, why do they do this? Why do they put stickers on that are so ornery? I wish somebody could explain to me what the thing is about ridiculous stickers. Okay, there's a little piece on there, but that's okay. Look how pretty that looks. It looks so cute. And then down here, I don't think this is gonna fit here anymore. No. Down here, this is gonna be cardstock that's cut and ready to be used. But I just haven't gotten that far yet. So that's cardstock. And then you can see right there, I got a whole mess. I have a whole situation happening there. I don't know what to do about it. I should have tried to figure out something while I was at the Container Store. But basically, I have 6 by 8.5 paper. I've got 6 by 6 paper, and then I've got a bunch of other random stuff. And I just really need to utilize and deal with the situation. But look how pretty this looks now. Yay. organizing, and there's so much room to add new products, new goodies. And then this is the next row down. Look at that. Look at all my cutters. Who needs that many cutters? Nobody. That's who. So anyway, making progress, 1 cube at a time. That's what life is looking like right now. 1 cube at a time, 1 space at a time, organizing small areas, because sometimes that's just all you can do. All right, this video is short, sweet, simple. Just wanted, oh, almost forgot. So these long bins that I got, those are gonna hold my yarn and some fabric, and they're gonna go under the guest bed. So that's what I got those for. Yay. All right, that's everything. And when I get to organizing other spaces, I will show you. But just a quick video, just to pop in, give you a little update on some of the spaces I'm working on. This will be the next thing that I do, is deal with all this paper and cardstock and get it in a really good system so that when I want a scrapbook, I can just pull right here from the bottom, no problems. So, yep, piece by piece, it's coming together. Thanks for hanging out with me on this short little tour of Container Store and getting things organized. If you want to see more videos, click either one you see here. I have linked below to the products that I could find to link to, and I hope it's helpful for you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.